How to create web content that is both effective and profitable. Tips and advice. Good morning, my friends. How are you doing?
When we surf the internet and search for all kinds of information, products in stores, medical topics, consultations for lawyers, best places to travel, etc., all the contents we find related to different topics have a common feature. Their owner or the person who wrote them did it. Achieve a certain goal with the user. Concretely, the challenge for the website, blog, or store on the part of a person or company is to make the content effective and profitable. What does this mean? On the one hand, it allows it to achieve the objective that it has for the user or person to whom the content is addressed. For example, to sell. Talk well about a product, tell about its most beneficial features, why it stands out, why it is profitable, why it is a good choice, etc., so that the content convinces, generates more interest and sales. In this way, is profitable. Do you understand the link between effective and profitable? The more effective the content, the more profitable it is. It's a reciprocal link. That is, there is no one without the other. And yes, my friends, if you create a website for yourself with the cost it has for both its creation and maintenance, it is a fact that you will seek to publish effective content that is then profitable. On the other hand, my friends, profitable content means not only more sales, but also more leads, i.e. increased web traffic, and a better positioning in search engines that allows you to increase your traffic, consolidate your brand on the internet, and, of course, increase your profits. And now, we tell you all this so that you understand the true benefits of creating and publishing effective and profitable content, and what you are waiting for, the reason why you clicked on this video, to know how to create effective and profitable web content. 1. Be clear about your objective. What are you looking for with your content? To simply inform, to convince that a certain product is the best so that more people buy it, to explain why a certain region is not recommended at the moment, to announce important and high-impact news. It seems obvious. However, believe me, the big problem of many copywriters is that they write texts without having a clear objective or what they are looking for from the user. And the user unconsciously perceives this, and not being convinced of what she reads, ends up leaving the site and consolidating a negative experience. Once you define the objective of your content, focus on achieving an enriched text with everything the user needs to achieve the objective you are looking for. 2. Create 100 original content. 100 original content, my friends, does not only mean that it should not be plagiarized, something that is also prohibited and even penalized by Google. It also means demonstrating to the maximum that it is your own unique idea, that is, that no other site or person will find it. In fact, search for anything on Google and enter some of the first search results. In each of them, you will find just that, 100 original content, and that original idea and its development are what give rise to user-friendly content, which consequently will explore from beginning to end. 3. Try not to use artificial intelligence tools. Remember what we told you in our last video? Well, this is another reason why the different artificial intelligence tools, among them the recent and revolutionary ChatGPT, can help you, but not 100 enough to depend completely on them. It is your creativity and your own ideas that will drive you to create effective and profitable content. Also, to be constant. Remember that a website will never become successful with a single piece of content, but it is a job that requires time and, fundamentally, a large amount of content. It is true that without artificial intelligence, you will be able to take more time to create each piece of content. However, my friend, believe me, the effort is well worth it. 4. Adapt to what users demand the most. Imagine you have a website about cosmetic products. One of the keys to creating effective and profitable content is to provide the user with what they are demanding the most. Specifically, imagine that in Google Trends you observe a remarkable growth in search trends for children's makeup. This means that there are more people than usual searching for children's makeup. Consequently, it's best to post content on your website that talks about makeup for kids. At the same time, I'm sure you're wondering, and what exactly to talk about when it comes to makeup for kids? And it's okay that you have that doubt, my friend. Do you know why? Because the next step before writing effective and profitable content is to do some keyword and phrase research. For example, what are the best makeup for kids? Advantages of makeup for kids. Why buy makeup for kids? How long does makeup for kids last? What colors do makeup for kids come in? And so on with whatever you can think of. By typing the different words, terms, and phrases into a keyword search engine, you will find some with a higher search volume. And you know what that means? That a lot of people are searching about that, and therefore you should write content about that. This way, my friend, you're going to greatly increase the chances that your content will be effective and profitable. You will also get Google to rank you in first places, so consequently, you will increase your web traffic. Isn't that what you wanted so much? To publish content? And we have reached the end of a new video. If you liked it, then like it and tell us below what are your strategies to create effective and profitable content, and what is that content or text that you like to read that convinces you of something. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to receive notifications to help us grow. Thanks, and we'll meet again in the next video.